We are joined here today with a vendor by the name of zSpace, and Deborah with zSpace is going to tell us a little bit about what's going on here today at our Tesla Professional Development Center in D11.
Right, so today at the zSpace PD, the teachers are learning on our zSpace units, which are Windows 10 computers, but it has proprietary software inside to help run the 3D.
And we will be launching it at 5 different locations at first. That's Penrose, Midland, Galileo, Palmer, and Mitchell for these programs. And so what can students look forward to?
Well, they can look forward to being able to interact with their technology now. So being able to pull things out of the screen, see content in a way that you just can't see it looking on a tablet or looking on a computer or looking in a book. The possibilities are endless. So being able to dissect things, put things together, build content, so they could even build their own interactive presentation. So instead of just in PowerPoint or Google Slides, it can be interactive and anyone can pull that out of the screen and see it.
Very cool. So we're putting the future into place in our schools through virtual reality.
Absolutely.
That's so very cool.
It's amazing.
Well, I hope you get a chance to stop by one of these schools and experience it for yourself. Very cool technology. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you back the next time.